All right, all right. So we're back again for Asian sessions. This will be another fun one here. Had some good and bad news. Got a payout, then I blew the damn account right after, damn there. So we're back getting another one. The good, the bad, the ugly. Good thing that we got a payout, so that's a good thing. Made it real. We up like 3,000 for the month so far on one account. So we got to get another. So we're back at it. What caught me though, what really caught me, I think, was the swing back up. I was so biased to the shorts, man. I was ready for the shorts, right? And I caught it, and I was up too. That's the crazy thing. I was up, and I was like, shit, let me try to get a little more. And it's always trying to go for that little bit more when you kind of outside of those times and you like, just lock it in, right? And you just blow it. So it's all good though. So we back at it. I think our payment though, our payout on that account, that'll be tomorrow. So that'll be a good thing. So we're going to be kind of plotting Nasdaq and gold, see what's going to be moving here. But there's so many opportunities. That's why I said the journey is continuous, right? Of course, the key is to always make money. Make your bread and keep it moving, right? But there's so many opportunities. It's an unlimited opportunities out here, right? So this will be fun for the night though. Up longs here. We're sitting right here to 160, 25, 160 on the Nasdaq here. I want to pull up gold here as well. Matter of fact, I could do it this way. All right, let's see gold here. Gold sitting at 4,100, right at it too. That's nice. Probably be focusing on Nasdaq so far tonight though. Looking for some shorts here for a nice little retrace. Trying to see what Asian session want to do. Let's see what we got here. Overalls though for the day, probably for US session though, I'm seeing further upside though for the Nazi though. So I'm looking for a kind of retrace and then a blowback through. We did hold that 25,000 level. All right, last night we was kind of mentioning if it'll get back over 25,000, my bias changing. It definitely changed. So, but the way it did it, it was so ugly today. It was a beautiful ugly day. Beautiful ugly day. So yeah, it was real ugly. So stay tuned. We'll be back here shortly. Gonna kind of let the market play out here. We see a lot of shorts at that 133, so we could possibly short against that. Down to the VWAP. I'm gonna take that. We want to really hold this 130, 140 area. All right, so we're getting a nice push down here. See if we can get some continuation. I have my stops at like 135. I'm looking at. $135 here. So right now I'm just looking to see if we can get that push. I want to hold 33.25 here. All right, let's see. All right, so I'm tightening up stops here. 130s trying to come back, and 130s. I'm gonna leave one at one. Yeah, I like 130. I want to really hold that. There we go. There we go. There we go. See if we can get a push down to that VWAP, VPOC area. Start taking some off. We're up 200. Okay, okay, there we go. Getting that push. We're getting that push. See if we can get down to 100. If we can keep pushing, can we keep pushing? We can push down that 100 area, man. That'll be perfect. All right, so we're gonna break even here on this trade. All right, we're up 400. We're up 400. I'm gonna start scaling out here. It's not pushing. Can we push? Just one push. I need one push. Here we go. Let's go. One push. Need one push. Want to see that VWAP, VPOC area. It's turning. Alright, we're going to get out of half there. Alright, so we got out of some there. And it's like when it tells you it's not time, then that's really when I need to go ahead and yeah, so we out of there. Alright, still made a profit there. Man, hey, alright. Completely ripped back. Of course, that was counter trend, of course, but we was trying to see if we was gonna get down to that 100. Completely ripped it. Alright, so now I'm gonna be looking here. Could get even. Yeah, come on. All right, I'll be back here shortly, guys. I'm gonna leave it up here, and we're gonna see. One trade though, so far we up.